Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10, and today I'll show you how to block a number. So to get started, let's open up the dialer app just right here. And if the number already called you, you will see it basically in the recent ones. So all you need to do is hold the option. I'll give you block report spam, tap on it, and then block. And there we go. Now the contact is blocked and can't call you anymore. And also, you can go into the settings in here, and then you should find also some block options right here. Blocked numbers, there we go. And it will provide you all the numbers that you have blocked, so you can remove them from here by just tapping the X right there and unblock. And you can add a number by inputting it normally by just hand, so you can do it like so, then tap on block, and that's about it. Now it's blocked, as you can see. Those are two ways you can do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.